How to add a background in a WordPress. Want to give your WordPress website a fresh new look? Changing the background is a fantastic way to instantly enhance its visual appeal and reflect your brand's personality. One of the easiest way is using the WordPress customizer. Ready to see how simple it is? Okay, let's dive into the topic. So first things first, navigate to your WordPress customizer. Once you're in the dashboard, you can see a list of options or menus on your left hand side over here. From this option, go to Appearance, tap on it, and under Appearance, go to Customize, which is right over here. Tap on it. That will take you to the Edit section or Customize section, I should say. Within the Customizer menu, look for the option like Background Colors or Background Image. The exact wording might slightly vary depending upon the theme that you are using, but eventually you are searching for background setting. So according to my theme, I do have colors and background. Simply tap on it. So right now my background is blue. I can choose the color palette from here or even choose the background pattern. Let's see more. I love this one. Simply tap on it. Let's tap on Save Changes. Not only this, you can also choose a solid background color as I said earlier, or upload a background image yourself. I found it earlier, but if you are not satisfied with this background, you can experiment with different colors and images to see what works best for your site. It was easier for me because it was my personal blog, but if your blog is dedicated to a specific niches, it may be different or a little bit difficult to find a background according to your niche. The more time you get, the more quality background you can put. So don't be afraid to try different things until you find the perfect background. Let's view it. So you can see my background over here. So it's beautiful. I really love it. So it was that straightforward. So are you excited to try adding your own background to your WordPress site and give it a unique touch? So that's all for today's video. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.